YouTube. Here's my my Spyder. I always keep a battery tender on it. That's my Spyder. There's my Goldwing. There's my, I have a trailer. I got it set up, but I put air shocks on this thing. It's a 20 cubic trailer. I never really use it anymore. But I love my Goldwing. I love my Spyder. And I have a bad boy ZT Elite, and I just washed it. It's a mess. My back acre is Dallas grass, and it's I had a mulching kit on here, and I took it off because the Dallas grass just plugged it up. And I washed this thing. It was dirt. It's dirt. I always blow it off with the blower after I mow to get all the stuff out of there, keep it clean. But I actually washed it, and I use that Super Clean, which really does a good job. So I got that on there, and I have I took the mulching kit off of it. I had a mulching kit over here, right down there. There's the mulching kit, and I took it off because the Dallas grass would plug up the mower, and it was just like a mess. And I had to mow it a couple times, but now I just put the chute back on. I still had the mulching blades on there, but I took the mulching kit off, and I went to a 48-inch because I have so many trees. I couldn't mow with a 60 or even a 54-inch, so I went with that. I'll show you. I got so many trees back here, and in the front I got so many trees, so I can't mow with anything bigger. See, that back out there is the Dallas grass, and you can see the really tall stuff. It's just wet spots because we get so much rain. It still holds a lot of water back there. But you can see all my trees here. That's why I have to have a 48-inch. And there's still some trees I have to mow with the mower because it's just so big. Well, my shop's, well, I guess it's not too bad, but I love my Blackstone. I cook on this a lot. And we got Friday. My kids are not going to be here tomorrow, so we got 4 days off from the grandkids, so I may take a ride if it's not too hot. I guess I didn't show you too much about this thing. Let me see if I can open it. Now, I've got to use the key to unlock it. Here's the, got to move the armrest. My wife loves the Goldwing. She doesn't like the Spyder. But I keep immaculate records of everything I do to these bikes. I created a spreadsheet. Like the last time I changed the oil was 95,065, oil and filter, and I'm just 96 now, so I'm only $1,000, 1,000 miles, $1,000. Let me show you this thing. This is what I liked about this thing. Look how big that is. I think there's a light on right there. I never turn on. I thought there was. I never use it, but I know there's a light underneath here. Oh well. But that's 9 cubic feet. And this is a Motor Trike Razor, which I really like. And this is a Am Spyder 2020 Am Spyder RT. This is a 2014 that I bought new in 2014. My wife was mad when I bought this. She was mad when I bought, but this has got lots of room in here too. Look how much room is in that frunk. Here, I can go get groceries and just everything but paper towels I can put in there. And I fixed this. It wouldn't open. Now it opens like it should because they didn't finish putting it together. And here's the left side. I never really locked these. Maybe I locked that one. No, I didn't. And I bought those little cases in there. Here's my toolbox. I got a bunch of. I bought my kids both of these toolboxes of Cobalt has everything in them. Bought them for them too. Bought a new air compressor. I had a little one that quit pumping air, so I love this one, man. It's a big one. That's it. Hopefully I have sound. I shot some video before, it didn't have any sound. Bye.